So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel JPS Service Now Trainings and Placements. So today we will be discussing about how to schedule a call in Timetree app. Okay, so first and foremost thing, we need to open the WhatsApp from where I have been sent the link. Okay, so you can see here the first step is to download the Timetree app. First you need to click on this. So it will open this one, and please try to install this application. Once after installing this application, just click on open. So just click on get started. So there is an option with the name of later. Just click on later. And you can give your name as your wish. And if you want to give the date, birth date, you can give it, or else just try to confirm it. So now this is the interface which is looking right now. Okay, so just again go to the WhatsApp. Okay, now next step is to tap the invitation link and join the group. Just click on this link. So you can see here, so you just need to click on join. And just click on the one which I have been created. Just click on JPS Service Now. Just click on this. That's it. And you can see here all the calendars and everything will get loaded in some time. Just a minute. Load. Yeah, now you can see it. So now you can see this is the calendar. So let's take for example, I have a call at 27th. Okay, just click on 27, double click. So there is a plus mark over there. You can click on this plus mark, or else you can directly click on create over here, and then give the date as 27/5/2024. And I do have a call at 11 a.m. in the morning, and the end date is on 27/5/2024 till 12 p.m. It's a 1 hour time. So you just need to mention your name as Imran. If it is a L1 or L2, just mention L1 or L2 like that, and just click on save. Just click on OK. So no need to give all these things, just click on save. That's it. You can listen the sound. Yeah, I have got notified that you have scheduled a call at 11 a.m. on 27th, as you can also see here. So you can see some of the messages over there. So 9 to 11. So you please don't try to schedule a calls between 9 to 11 a.m. as I do have some of the things to perform. And the one is like after 6:30, please don't try to book the calls. And here it's the lunch break at 2 to 3. And whatever the things you are having, just please don't try to schedule in the given calls. Okay, so thank you.